What up, Tube U? I'm at a car show south of Houston. This is what we're working with. Nice square body. Mustang. Here's the vet. Chevelle. A wide range of stuff. What's up, guys? I'm here with Murphy the Mustang, aka Connor. Say what's up.
What's up, man?
We're at the Arcola City Hall car show south of Houston, and I just got a couple questions for Connor. So, why did you end up choosing this year, make, and model?
Mostly it's what I grew up wanting to get when I was a little kid. So when I was coming out of high school is right when they had kicked over to like the 15 model year, and then the facelift I've always kind of liked. Um, so found one for a decent price up in Dallas, went and picked it up, and that's that. I've been modding ever since.
So, what all have you done to the car?
So it's got cold air intake. It's full bolt on, long tube headers, no cats, H pipe, full exhaust. It's tuned by Cundon Racing. Makes 490 wheel on 93.
Sweet. And so, what's your number one tip for anybody that is looking to get this car?
Looking to get one of these, I would recommend getting an 18 through 23 if you're going to go with the auto. If you want to go high horsepower, 15 to 17 is better. The 6-speed's a little bit more durable. The 10-speed is faster for like the moderate power builds. I don't plan on pushing this thing much past 800, so I should be safe there.
Sweet. Thanks for the time.
Yep.
Cool. Got the Mustang GT Fox body here. Cool whip, cool minivan here. Not bad.